Okay, I cannot really basically make a tutorial, but this is what a car will entail. Everything is being rehabilitated. You can hear the engine sing right now. It's because I'm lubricating the axle here now. I'm lubricating the axle. Charged fat is fully charged. I got the special from Big Tall Wheels, which is original for this year. That's the model we're gonna put in it. That's the insert. It's electrochromed. This was polished and then treated with clear, automotive clear. And these are our wheels, rear wheels with our tires. This is something that we're doing exclusively. We're using these sticky tires that go into our wheels and they raise the height to 1 millimeter overall. It gets more fuel clearance and it gets a lot of grip. This thing is still running here. For that axle, this right here, I use 3-in-1 dry lube because you don't want to pick up a lot of the dust and everything. And I let it run for a little bit. Spray directly around the axle, not too much, just a little bit. I wouldn't spray anything in the engine. This is where the engine is. That's the connector. This is the negative, this is the positive. This is your battery, which is wired to the negative on the body. And then the positive is right there on the bottom switch. Now this is the way it's done. I do have other ways to do it. We're gonna put this guy together and we're gonna exercise him and see what he does with just a regular chassis and a regular battery, nothing fancy. Lights are an option. I'm looking at putting lights also on the body. When I made it ahead of time, I made a provisions to put halogens right in the center. As you can see, it's a little bit cut differently. So I'll have to figure out a way to put halogens in there. It's gonna be good. For now, I just want to exercise them and do these wheels and then see if that engine is still good. I do have new engines, but I like to use the ones that are still running. Why not? So we're gonna this is not one of our batteries. When I bought one of the cars already had it, but it's close to what I need, close to what I use. So I can always change it. So that's it. We're gonna put this on the track soon.